Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to fund your Facebook ad account on your mobile device via the ad manager app so that you can continue running Facebook ads. And also to point out, this particular video is part of a complete course on Facebook and Instagram ads for beginners, and I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access other videos available under this particular course. So yeah, if you want to fund your Facebook ad account via your mobile device, you need to download the Ad Manager app in your mobile device. You can either go to the Play Store to download for Android or go to the App Store to download for iOS. So I already have mine downloaded into my device, and I already have my Facebook profile logged in into my Ad Manager app. So yeah, to get started, I'll click on the settings button at the top right left side of my screen. So once I click on it, it shows me all the available ad accounts I've created under this particular Facebook profile. So I'll just click on billings and payments under the ad accounts that I want to fund. And also to point out, this particular ad account is a prepaid ad account, meaning that I get to fund this particular ad account and use the money to run Facebook ads anytime I want to do that. Yeah, there's also the postpaid ad accounts where you get to use, create ads, run ads, and pay Facebook later. So yeah, to fund this particular ad account, which is the prepaid ad account, I just click on add funds. So once I click on add fund, it shows me, okay, how much do I want to add to this ad account. So I'll just click on that and then edit it to the amount that I want to fund on this ad account. So yeah, there are two options, two payment methods I can use. I can either use the debit or credit card, or I can either use the PayU payment gateway. So if I'm in Nigeria, or if you're in Nigeria and you're trying to fund your ad account, I'll advise you go for the PayU payment gateway, because this is the option that allows you to use your Naira card to fund your Facebook ad account. But if you're in other parts of the country, you can actually use your debit or credit card to do that. So I'll be using PayU for this particular video. So I click on next. So once I click on next, it starts processing. And once it's done processing, the next thing that happens is that it takes me to a web page, a PayU web page. So this is totally safe. Maybe I wonder why it's taking you to another page. This is totally safe. PayU is a secure payment gateway that is connected to Facebook. We've used this to run ads in millions and millions of naira, so it's totally safe. So once it opens the page, I just click on continue. So once I click on continue, it loads up. Then the next thing is that they are going to show you, okay, where you can put your card details so that you can be able to fund your prepaid ad account. So as you can see, you are seeing the MasterCard and the Visa card logos. So what that means is that the only option, the only kind of cards that is accepted on PayU are Master and Visa card. So cards like Valve cards do not work when regards to PayU payment gateway. So that is very important to note. This is because not so many Naira cards can actually work on Facebook. So these are the only two cards that is acceptable currently on Facebook. So make sure you are using a MasterCard or a Visa card. So I'll just be taking few minutes to like fill up my card details, and then we can move to the next thing. So I'm done filling up my card details. The next thing I'll do is to click on pay. So once I click on pay, it loads up, and then it takes me to my bank's authentication process. Different banks have different authentication process, but basically it's all about sending you a token so that you can verify that this particular transaction is done by you and it's totally safe. So if it's a soft token, I just click on generate soft token. Whatever your bank process, whatever it is that is your bank process, you take that process, then you put the code, the OTP, and then verify and proceed. So once you've done that, you go back to your ad account. So once you go back to your ad account, you get to see that the money that was actually funded has been added to your available fund. So your available fund changes from 0 naira to the amount that you actually added. So this is how you get to fund your Facebook ad account via the ad manager app. Yeah, and if this video was very helpful to you, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, because every single week we upload a new video in this particular channel. Yeah, and also, as we do on our channel, we do recognize the subscriber of the month. The subscriber of the month is the person that watched the most of our video in that particular month, and we do give out meta ad credit and also the opportunity for that particular subscriber to request for a specific video that he or she wants us to do in the coming week. So we usually leave a card on the screen. Probably you've seen that card while watching this particular video, but if you skip that card, you can go back, click on that particular card so that you can identify that you've actually watched this video, because at the end of the month you can stand the chance of getting a meta ad credit that you can use to promote your business, and you can request for us to do a particular video for you based on whatever issue that you're having. And thirdly, on the description, I'll be leaving a link for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me, just in case you want to talk with me one-on-one, you have other issues that we've not been able to cover in our videos, and you want to like us to figure it out, either issues that has to do with meta advertising, Google advertising, or marketing in general. I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me. Yeah. So with that being said, until our next video, peace out.